Welcome back to the 250 bird challenge, chronicling our attempt to see 250 different bird species this year. Currently, we find ourselves partway through our California trip.
Hi y'all, we are at Kit Carson Park. It's a municipal park with a bit of a water feature here, so we're going to see if there's any waterfowl that we haven't seen yet. Thought I heard a Sara, but maybe it was a dream. But yeah, we'll see if we can pick up any other birds. We're here briefly. We have a trip to the zoo in mind, so this will just be a short bit, and then maybe I'll follow it up with some more content from the next day. So let's take a look around, see what's here.
As you can see, and as you might expect, we only saw fairly common birds at Kit Carson Park, but hey, to us, some of the common birds out here are still new, like this bush tit. These next two ducks look interesting. I think they're probably just mallards from a ton of interbreeding, also known as manky mallards. The curly tail says mallard, but their head shape seems quite slender to me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Really difficult to catch them because they're in flight and they're not landing, but there are northern ruffed-winged swallows flying over the pond.
Whoa, 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 stop the tape. This footage is awful, but we did indeed see northern rough-winged swallows. But there's another swallow here. The buffy rear near the tail and the buffy patch on the forehead give the look of a cliff or a cave swallow, but we can eliminate cave swallow because we aren't in its range. Cliff swallow, then, is a new bird for the year. Next up, we drove to San Diego where we stayed for 2 nights. We spent a lot of this time exploring San Diego Zoo. I took a break from video recording, but did take a handful of photos of some of the animals there. Quick shout out to this lilac-crowned parrot that was hanging around outside our hotel in the Shelter Island area of San Diego. Okay, next birding stop.
Hi everyone, we're taking a stop at a place called San Alejo Lagoon. Going to see if there's any shorebirds or anything else new that we can add to our list. We got a tip that there might be a rail here, but so far we haven't been able to find that. A few other bits and pieces that we've already seen. We'll continue further in and see what else is here. Yellow warbler, finally. House wren. We've heard a lot of those here. We'd heard that this place was quite good for shorebirds. It's an estuary, the ocean is behind me, and as the tide goes out it leaves mudflats behind. The shorebirds then feast on the mollusks and stuff that are left behind in the soil. I think we've timed it badly, tide's coming in, so we're not seeing too much today unfortunately. Unless you like song sparrows, we've seen tons of song sparrows. This is time for us to leave, I think. We're going to go check into our next hotel. But we'll be doing more birding over the coming days, and I'll include some more footage in this video, so stay tuned. If you're enjoying, please subscribe, really appreciate the support. Sorry there wasn't too much at this location, again, unless you're a big fan of song sparrows, also available in eastern Canada. Oh well, see you soon.
Let's catch up on where we are. Here's California. We started this video at Kit Carson Park in Escondido. Then we spent a couple of days in San Diego. We've just been checking out San Alejo Lagoon. After a change of clothes and a change of day, the following morning we drove close to the Mexican border and visited the Tijuana estuary area.
Hi everyone, welcome back. We're at Tijuana Slough National Wildlife Refuge. I can't get these place names down, but that's where we are anyway. We're going to take a look around, see if there's any different species here. It's a flat riverbed environment. We're right near the border of Mexico. Helicopters, US Army or Navy helicopters keep flying past us, presumably looking for border runners. Anyway, stay tuned. Let's see what we find here. A heron out there. We think it's a yellow-crowned night heron. First of the year. We've seen one before a couple of years ago or a year ago at Colonel Sam Smith Park back out Toronto way. That was a juvenile, this one's an adult, so it's really cool to see the plumage on this.
You know, one of the things I love about birds is how smart they are, especially corvidae like this crow. Smarter, we're starting to realise, than we've historically given them credit for.
Hello. Tell me more.
Are you very smart?
We really wanted to see hummingbirds, but so far had only seen annas like this one. But this blurry mess here is an Allen's. I got a better shot later.
Well, I've been a little bit worried that we might not see too much more because we've seen so much on this trip so far. But that was, I think, 3 new species, and we haven't finished yet. We're just heading back to the car. We're going to move to a different entrance point in this same park. So stay tuned. If you're enjoying, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Okay guys, unfortunately the estuary hasn't been very profitable, it's pretty quiet. Gonna have a quick look at the Pacific Ocean, just kind of behind me to the right. See if anything kind of flies by, if there's anything on the water. I'd like to dip my toe in at some point. I've never dipped my toe in the Pacific Ocean before, but this isn't the place for that because apparently it's kind of a little bit polluted, so I won't be doing it here. Really getting buzzed by these helicopters a lot. I don't know if it's because I'm an easy target for them to practice dressed in red, or because I've got 1,700 different cameras strapped to me. But maybe that's another reason to leave. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, hit the red subscribe button. Appreciate your comments and your likes, helps other people find the channel. Thank you for watching and happy birding!